good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my fellow traders out there. I hope you all have a nice trading um, week and hope you all enjoyed your weekend. You went out, spent your forex money, and had the best time of your life. So today I'm going to be talking about the trade that I wish to take this coming week, what I expect the market to do, what I feel the market is going to do this week. So let's get right to it. Before we get right in detail on what the market might do this week, please like this video and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this. The comment box is also there for you to write your opinion about this video and also what you want me to improve in this video and what you want me to talk about in the next previous video. Thank you all. God bless. So we're going to be talking about Usdjpy. Usdjpy, you can see Usdjpy we have and finally, you can see that USDJPY previously it was way before. It made a low, really huge low to the downside, and then made made a W structure, and formed this zone, this resistance zone here, and then broke it. When it broke it, came down, retested this zone here, and then it rallied up, made a high. Now it has made a high. This was a low, and then it made a high. Now, what I expect the market to do is it has made a low and a high. I'm expecting to make a higher low at this level here, at this level point here. I expect market to make a higher low at this point here. My stop loss is going to be here. I will be waiting for price to get to this point, and at the daily close of the candle, I'll go to the 4-hour time frame to take my entry. My entry for buy at this zone, I'll be looking for a W structure. A W structure to the upside. I'll be taking my entry at this point here, and my aim for profits will be take profit 1 and take profit 2. I don't want to be too greedy because as the Christmas is coming, the market is really getting really unpredictable. So just focus on take profits 1 and 2. Don't focus your mind on getting this one. Yes, the price might move up, but it's better for you to leave money on the table and take a piece of the pie than end up losing everything, because the market might just revise and then you lose everything. So that's to be on the safer side. Take profit 1 and 2. It's the best. So that's all I have for USDJPY. Let's check Aussie New Zealand dollar. You can see that in Aussie New Zealand dollar, price made a high and then made a low, and then this is a low, and then made a high, low, high, higher low. This red candle here, it now made a higher low, the downside, and then made a higher high. So what I feel the market's going to do is to make because this structure here has shown you that price has changed direction. It is no longer going down anymore. Way long time ago. So price has made a decision that it wants to go up, because it made a low, a high, a higher low, and now a higher high. So expect price to come to this various level. I feel price to come to this level of this previously broken resistance zone, support zone, to retest this point as support. Price to retest this point as support. My entry is at this point. My stop loss is going to be somewhere here. My take profit is going to be take profit 1, 2. Like I said before, I'm going to be focusing on TP2. I do not want to focus on getting too the same. I just want to just get my profit and get out. That's what I just want. So that's what I have for Aussie New Zealand dollar. Like the same thing I said previously, because this is a buy, on the close of the candle at this point here of the daily candle, I will go to the 4-hour to look for a W structure on this place here. A W structure, I will take an entry at the second leg, the second candle close, the second leg of the candle close. I'll take a buy from that point. My take profit will be 1 and 2. That's my analysis for Aussie New Zealand dollar this week. And the third one I have is a Eurgbp. Eurgbp. Let's look at Eurjpy first. Eurjpy, as you can see, price has been making. Now, as you can see, price has been making is an uptrend. Looking at, you see that price is in an uptrend. Price made a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high. Came back, retested it slightly, and made a. This was a high, this was a higher low, and now it has made a new higher high. So what I feel price is going to do, is to come back to this point here, to make a low, to gather liquidity, to gather orders, to gather more orders to continue in its continuation to the upside. So I feel price to come to this point and then rally back up. My entering is at this point here. I'm comfortable with this small stop loss here. Like I said, I'm going to be looking for my entering is going to be a W structure at the 4-hour time frame to the upside. That's what I have for Eurjpy. Let's check UP. Eurgbp is the same thing. You can see on Eurgbp, you find that price previously was making, this was a high, this was a lower high, lower low, lower high, and then a lower low. See this lower low, and then moved up, breaking this previous zone here, support, and then broke resistance, and now it has come to what I feel market will do now. It has broken so many zones. It cannot continue going upwards forever. No, it has to come down. It has exhausted its orders. It has to come down to collect more orders. From this point here. Collect more orders from this point and then rally back up. So this is my area of it's not actually going to be my area of entering. I don't really have any entering. This is my area of entering, but at the moment I don't have a stop loss position, because as you can see, I most times put my stop loss at the next zone, at the zone behind. But the problem is that at this place, this is the zone I have here. So if I put my stop loss here, you see that it's a big loss for me. It's a big loss for me. So at this thing is just an analysis that I like and I feel to play out excellently well. So that's what I just want to like. Well, for many of you that want to trade this pair, if you are interested, you see this zone from this zone here to this zone here. What you do, you measure this place and divide it into two. That will give you the stop loss to use for this trade, and the stop loss should be around like here. But the slightly problem is that it's still too big in a way. And for Eurgbp, it most times has a tendency of weakening people out before actually going in the direction that you analyzed it that it will go. So sometimes I don't really like taking Eurgbp. So that's all I have for my analysis. I have my show 3. Not sure in the market is never showing. Market are full of surprises, but these are the analysis that I made. Eurojpy, Aussie New Zealand dollar, and Eurojpy, Usdjpy, and Aussie New Zealand dollar. That is what I expect. Those ones I expect buy from them this week. All right, that's all I have for this coming week. Hope you all enjoy your your trading week. Please trade wisely. Psychology is mostly important in trading. I advise you all to take calculated risk. Do not take a risk that you cannot contain, a risk that you cannot swallow. Take a risk you know you can bravely take, and you still have enough capital to continue on your trading journey. I wish you all a very nice and beautiful trading week, and happy Christmas in advance. Hope you all have a nice day. Enjoy the holidays. Thank you all, and God bless. Bye.